never had it that way. I feel creative. Let's do it. It's gonna be a layered smoothie bowl. Alright, we're gonna do one layer acai, one layer Dragon Ball, and we use frozen mango as a base for a vitamin C kick, a little bit sour in land. Coconut crisp. I'm also gonna use berries, raspberries and blueberries. Perfect. Coconut water. Not too much though. Remember, we're making smoothie bowl, so we need a thick consistency. Always make sure this is not connected to electricity, alright? It's dangerous. We gotta make sure this is not connected to electricity before we go in with any type of soup. Alright? Yes. I'll have to blend a bit more. We're gonna use this glass and make layers. Layer number 2. If it's still is fruit, it will make sense with this. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna put them in here to separate the two smoothie concoctions. This looks good. I'm gonna put that in the fridge, by the way, because I don't want it to be melting too much. Alright, babbies. I'm also adding a bit of cinnamon, you know, to razzle it up. Just stir a bit. Not all blenders have the capacity to just break through, so you gotta help out by stirring a bit. Yeah? Let me try. Yummy! These are my utensils, so I can lick them. Okay? I don't do it when somebody comes over, just because it's my smoothie. Let's blend again. Not gonna lie, I put a bit too much coconut water in, but it's fine. We're still gonna wing it. We're gonna make it work. If you have ice cubes, feel free to add and blend so that you get that thick texture back again. Okay? I don't have ice cubes, so we're gonna have to make it work. But the layering will help us actually. So let's go. This is what we're working with. You remember? Cool. I decided to go with another layer of these coconut crisps covered with strawberry powder. Alright, smells good. Look, one dried strawberry that just popped out. Nice. Like what I chew. This is gonna be a great ad. This acai smoothie concoction on top of this. This looks nice so far, guys. Look. Raspberries and blueberries on top. It looks really, really good. Fantastic! Fantastica! Fantastic! This looks lovely. Please come and see something beautiful. Want something light on top. Let me just cut it a bit more smaller. That might be a good idea. These should float basically because they are not as heavy. They might be a bit too heavy. But this good. Fantastic.